Hey guys, I'm JP. Welcome to the Better Diet Way, where we look into diets, nutrition, foods, and anything we consume. We look at the pros and cons of diets and foods and how it is good for us and what's not so good. We also look into how it can help for our personal goals, from losing weight to having more energy and becoming more healthier. Join me on this personal journey as I find out more about diets and foods that will help all of us start living the better life that we want. In today's video, I wanted to cover off the keto flu. You may have heard of the keto flu before. This comes around once you have started the keto diet and your body is adjusting to the new diet. It is the transition period from when your body is using a different energy source from sugars to fats. What are the symptoms of the keto flu? So, you will feel fatigue, headache, and have difficulty focusing, which people call brain fog. You will also feel a lack of motivation and lightheaded, and yes, you will have sugar cravings. Some people will also witness nausea and muscle cramps as well. So how long can these symptoms last for? Generally, they last for the first couple of weeks while you start your keto diet. And just remember, it is only temporary as your body adjusts. You will start to feel fine as your body gets used to the new diet that you're taking on. So from one of my previous posts, I spoke about the benefits. I'll link that video in the description below. But another benefit is that you'll also have more energy compared to from when you started. You can reduce or cure the keto flu. So the key ways to do this is make sure that you have a high water intake, which is always going to help. But if you're feeling really bad, add half a teaspoon of salt to the water, and this will help alleviate flu symptoms in no time. It's about keeping those electrolytes high in your body. Another way to ensure that you aren't feeling bad is to keep your keto food intake higher than usual. Keep consuming fats like butter in your food intake and provide the body the energy that it needs to fight off these symptoms. What you're doing is you're compensating for the lack of carbs. So therefore the fat intake must increase and let the body understand the new balance. So just to recap, the keto flu is the body going through a transitional period and is adapting to working off the new energy source, the fats. The lack of carbs means you must increase your fats. This will help reduce the side effects early on in this diet. And remember to drink plenty of water. And also give the diet some time to actually come into full effect. Once your body is used to the new diet that you have, where you can just consuming more fats and the carbs aren't coming in, it's just going to take control and you're going to be able to adjust quite easily, and you will not feel any symptoms later down the track. So hey guys, share a like and make sure you subscribe. I'll have more videos coming your way soon. Thanks.